Hi, wanna know how to reset your Google Pixel 9 Pro without password, aka bypass screen lock? So, as you can see, I got here my phone which is locked on PIN code which I don't remember. So, what should we do? So, we will do a factory reset which will erase all of the data from your phone, including the password. To do it, firstly, we would need to press a key combination which is power button and volume up button at the same time. Let's click on it, and here you can see that we got power menu on the screen. Here we would need to click on this button restart, and while our phone is restarting we would need to start holding volume down button and wait a few seconds, which can take up to 15 seconds, until on our screen will load some weird looking menu. So let's hold the button and wait. After this, you'll get into the fast boot mode, which you can see right here. And what do we need to do next? We would need to use the volume keys to swipe through the list. As you can see, we got this white button, which is saying start. We would need to click on the volume up button until we will find here recovery mode. Here is it how it looks. Now, when we have found it, we would need to click on the power button to continue. As a next step, on your screen will appear some Android saying no command. Here is it how it looks, and to continue we would need to click on the key combination, which is power button and volume up button at the same time. So let's click on it. And after this, you'll get to this menu, which is named Android Recovery. Everything is really small, but this is how it is and we can fix it. Now, as a next step here on the list, we would need to find the Wipe Data Factory Reset. So we can also scroll down with the help of the volume button. So let's use this volume down button until we will get to the Wipe Data Factory Reset. Here is it. Now, to confirm, we would need to click on the power button. And here we would need to click volume down again to choose the factory data reset, and then click the power button again. After this, at the bottom part of your screen, you'll see some logs, and at the end, you'll see the data wipe complete. After this, we need to click on the power button to reboot our system, and this is basically it. After this, you would need to complete a setup of your phone like you have done when you have firstly turned on your phone. That's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.